K9. So, yeah, beautiful. Nice to see it. It's lovely to see these pumps. We don't get too many of them recently, so it's nice to see it. Well done. Yeah, like this 9 week, like it does look like it's into a profit taking area. Can it go higher? Of course, but there is this bearish monthly stop hunt. Can it go higher in the future? You know, it can, but when you get the monthly bearish stop hunt, you have to think that there can be some sort of retrace back down potentially. You know, think of that as a red candle and move back down. Where does it go from there? It's tough to say. I think it's probably good for profits. You know, no harm in taking some profits here. What is that up? Well, it's 100%. Yeah, I was hoping it was more. I didn't look at the price there. It's still very nice. You know, you cannot complain. I think I would be taking profits. It really depends. You know, if you're long term, there is the chance now that, you know, that this sort of holds and the low is in. This could be the low, for example, and then this holds and creates a big base before going again. You know, that's always a possibility. If you have patience, you know, you don't have to take all of your gains. You don't have to take all your profits. You could leave a runner. You could sell 50% of it. You know, it's tough to say. It's a new chart. Maybe I'll have a look for a better chart. Okay, I got a better chart. That was a Coinbase listing. Interesting. Yeah. Just trying to get my head around that now. It had a beautiful stop hunt here. You know, if you are long term, there is still a chance that next year we have a green year and we pop up and go higher. Like if you are willing to hold it into next year, you did say a long-term bag. But again, you know, it's kind of one of those, you know, there's no harm in taking some profits to pay yourself. You always say patience, and pay yourself, or patence. So there's no harm in, you know, paying yourself some. But there's a good possibility that this goes up on a new year and pops into this wick up here. That would be a lot higher, of course. Well, I don't know where you bought from down there, but you know, there's a 300-400% move up there. The wick doesn't look that much, but I think that's that 100% bounce that we got. It would be nice to see it come up into this wick. So it depends what you want. Near term, if it's near term, I think it's probably good for profits. You know, if you're willing to hold us into next year and stuff, there's a good chance you can get obviously more profits out of it. At this point, that's a bullish monthly engulfing candle. Kind of implies that there is more upside, but there's a long way to go. There's 22 days left. This could sell right off again, and you wouldn't be left with a bullish candle. But at this point, it does look like a bullish candle, and it is looking like it's trying to close above the moving averages, which is technically bullish. It looks like a double bottom with a stop hunt, which is bullish. You know, it's a bullish engulfing candle. So there is good signs and good factors here that this can go higher. If you're willing to take a risk and hold it, there is decent signs. If we look at it here as well on a 3-month chart, it's definitely a nice 3-month candle. You know, bullish engulfing. Well, bullish engulfing so far, but a bullish stop hunt as well. The setup there does kind of imply that you can get more upside in chop. That you know, that could negate itself as well. You know, pretend that's a red candle. In chop, you know, you get that many. You get good signals, bad signals, all the time. The flip flopping about, but the signal is technically bullish at this point. Like you got a bullish signal here, but it rolled right over again. And is this going to get follow through this time, or is it going to roll over again like it did last time? So far, it's looking good.